Eduardo. I'm going to present my new product.
Of these times. This pen, which you can use for the outdoors in the market if you have a pen with you, because everyone wants to have one. You can and apart use pens to colors you want, and you can also
Designed to appeal to the widest audience through the creation of a writing instrument that represents the ideal gift for the graduate who is about to start his career. Parola could fascinate both corporate clients and the student as well, serving as a daily pen as well as a gift to appreciate.
those important meetings in which you need a project or a presentation. This pen causes the greatest envy of the people. You cannot miss the opportunity to reduce time and storage. To be loading,
The characteristics of these pens are fine point, black ink, USB memory, 16 gigabytes capacity, a stylus pen, touch screen, and touchpad, free individual metal case.